Rashul Gang. Rashul Gang. Rashul Gang. Rashul Gang. China Nikki.
It's now your boy DJ Little, aka the Moses for Salon Entertainment. Definitely today I represent Diaspora Voices. That's right, Diaspora Vision Network, all the way from the UK, London City lockdown, all the rest of the UK lockdown, all my Diaspora family, whether you dey China, you dey America, you dey Timbuktu, you know me, you dey Las Palmas, you dey Freetown, you dey Boton, all side. This now your boy DJ Little with the bring on camp. Always the juice, the exclusive, the the thing that way people they want for know, but they don't know how for know. These people that way they want to see, they don't know how for see them. And the only place, the only possible way they able for deliver for una like that. Now your one and only DJ Little, the Moses for Salon Entertainment, your one and only community ambassador. Last stop day because the title then too boku. Because if I reach there, we'll not go Budonia, I will just they call no more. But anyway, brand new year 2019. I want to say happy new year to the rest of my Diaspora and family. I've been promised when I say 2019 Diaspora Voices, Diaspora Vision Network, we they go to a global channel where the rest of the world they see me what they do and deliver big things. So I get an exclusive what they tell me I say exclusive. I get juice. The kind juice so I get from now. You have to let man pay for the kind juice then. But anyway, I'm not gonna tell you too much. Una go wait and see te a show una me juice. Wonderful juice. You get value. But let's go first of all the hot news. What they happen right now in Freetown City? I don't there for the last 2 weeks. As I know they left salon and not take me Okada. I know they left salon and not take me keke ride. I know they left salon and not do me good work. So I don't do plenty good work. First of all, the Okada man them, the keke man them, then give me message. They say do ya? They want the waiting a law enforcement. Then they try. When I don't ask them for license, they all don't get license and they provide a license now. He asked for reach that 100,000 a day. But that 100,000 a day, where they try for reach inside there, when they pull them back in the corner, when I squeeze them 130,000, when I squeeze them 140,000, then go for go pay master house, and by the time they go for go pay master house, they go for go pay petrol money, then go for go eat. So do you wanna give them small chance, let them save earn money small. So now one pan the hot news and then they send message to the law enforcement them. As long as they do the right thing, wanna just give them some commendation. And then also the good work them I'll be able to spend some quality time now the Handicap Youth Foundation where they don't Echowa Street, where me and my brother DJ Ish, the Healthline Show, me girl picking 14-year-old, we do some great ambassadorial work, and also under the partnership of the current Miss Sierra Leone, UK and Ireland, Miss Christy Fury, we've been doing some great work them where we feed some of the picking them of the disabled people them. It's fine for the give back, especially who they come out abroad, who they come out the diaspora, where they go and come. Where you cancel, you able for can spend 5 minutes or 1 day, half of your day, you give back to your salon community, give back to the people that will need and pass you, not to just give you family or you give family them. Give back to the people that will need and pass you. Spend 1 hour, spend 2 hours. If na water you buy, give them. If na small lily pepe you give them. So I just remind you where they go and come. Lord members say we got brothers and sisters there where they more in need. Lord they give them that thing. But that then are the news for now. We will come back, and they can't tell us I say I get the best, the hottest, the finest juice for now. So remember say this now our boy DJ Little, the Moses for Salon Entertainment. Okay, yes, me people, they wanna welcome back. As I don't tell you now, I get the hottest and the latest juice there for now. And right now, next to me, when I don't say me I'm one of the tremble, but right now I dey shake. I really dey tremble because the person who sit down next to me, I get every right for shake. But I dey come for can steady myself. Now make I get me small lily water now, that not tremble too much. I get the fabulous, the winner of the first official Big Sister na salon. You understand, eh? Where una all know it go global. We were excited. The world went excited. Not to just salon people them, non-Sierra Leoneans them, all man make noise for Big Sister. But not only, sometimes you need a character, you need a person where they help sell a vision. You understand? So not to just the person the way put them together. If you not put the right character there inside, now avoid. Believe you me, now avoid. So we've been lucky, then get the best contestants them for the launch. And inside the best, they get the best back. So they get the winner, the official winner. Is loyal with me today. We not the one and only, the beautiful Miss Aja Mariama Kamara, aka China Nikki. Go there on a low clap for yourself. Low clap for me, low clap for me. You get at the house with me. Aja Mariama Kamara, now shake your arm. I want kiss, like kissan. Kissan?
You know Aram.
Like no Aram, man. Ah, yeah, you say no Aram. Well, this month they was so for the next 24 hours they come. In fact, the water say what they drink now, the upper lip now they take the water, not to the bottom lip. You know, Aja Mariama Kamara, Kushe Kabo Kabo. I want to say Happy New Year, Happy 2019 to you and the rest of your family then. So, how do you feel first of all?
First of all, small greet first.
Yes, do ya?
On a good morning, I don't say not 12 o'clock it. On a good morning, me fambu them. I wanna do me Sierra Leone fambu them. Me Sierra Leone people the way they abroad all over. On a good morning once more. Like China Nikki.
Wow. A keeper, you know like what it say, it cut and short.
Yeah.
They don't send good morning to una all we family them. You know, Mr. Everyone tell you on behalf of the diaspora family them where they abroad all over the world, where they are you. Not only them, some of them they feel say you not family to them. They feel say you know the girl picking, they feel say you know the sister, you know the cousin. You know, we send the same greetings to you as well. Yeah. So what I want to do, because I get message from the people them go by under where I want we can talk about. That you okay?
Okay.
You okay?
Yeah.
Well, cause I don't know if say okay. So for me I like game. You like to play game?
Who's can game? We have a good game there.
We get beaucoup game there. No, they can't play Noti, they can't play Adai, they can't play Gege, they can't play the game where they can play. I call a quick fire question.
You know
Yeah, you know how I mean. So I want to ask you a question. Why I ask you? I want to pick one for you. Or you tell me yes or no. You understand? You need to explain to me that you know. But sometimes I might ask you why. If I feel say you buy a small, I don't know. But anyway, I ask you first. Kasada leaf for petite leaf. Who's that you like?
I like cassava leaf.
You like kasada leaf? Fry soup or boiled soup?
I like boiled soup.
You like boiled soup? Fufu or kasada?
I like cassava pasta. Fufu I eat, but you know easy.
You know easy, eh?
Yeah.
So you like kasada pass fufu?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go now to the music. Because I'm a music man. Famous or Ackman? Yeah,
And they ask for top. Because famous, so I like Akman, I like Kasu.
well,
He asked for
you
top.
have to go either you go Zaga Zaga Zap or you go it's your boy famous. Ola England.
Oh, yeah,
With the England.
yes.
Okay, this one here. Let's ask you this one here. Vida or Rosé?
Oh my god! I like the twirl. The twirl equal to
No,
me.
China, we have more
What?
people.
No, they question the ask. They ask.
Vida.
They're short, they're simple, but they ask for answer.
Yeah. Okay, I go allow you back. Mish B or Star Zero?
Oh my god. Nastasia,
No, you see now you don't pick it.
Nastasia, me or mama.
In Anastasia, your mama.
Yes.
Okay, love comedy, love left the music because you don't end too.
Because I like the all.
When they come on at the music, you like football, you can follow sports.
What be this? I mean, go watch.
Okay.
We are not too left.
Who's the known football club where you support? You know, like Eastern Lions, Blackpool, Port Authority.
We are not focused fans on football. Why they are not waiting on like the international football, the way they show on TV, they go watch for one thing, but the best one is Chelsea, the best.
Chelsea. I'm sorry for Ismail, nothing to do. Not only team, on a London team, the Blues. Me and Spurs, me they support. Tottenham not Spurs. We're not as good as Chelsea, but they come up. I tell you that. But anyway, that's if you want to do anything now, like say we China, we want to relax. We say like the best place we can relax.
Like for example, one of the Nazi for
Yes.
the best place.
Yes.
The place or
Yes, the place. And for relax now, also you can just say, you know, tonight just go.
I understand it. Like if I know the Nazi for the best side for relax, my
Yes. That
I
was
hate it. And blow the phone table already. And they are the team far. They are higher level.
because I was asking, say they turn the phone off for you. They get the
The
phone.
choir just sentences. And blow to the phone table. Then later, after some minutes, I lay am. Then I begin the team higher level team.
I am level thinking. Level thinking can see my need. I just want copy no more. And they go study.
Like so, working team. I the team for. Because I don't start film, I don't do 12 to 14 film there.
Okay.
So I the team for like able do hit movie.
Wow.
And be na Saloyan, and be Nigeria, and be any signer.
Okay.
Yes. And back at the team for the music because I don't even start for sing.
Wow.
I been there class 5. Why I been the right? Why I
You know,
been
say,
say
I want to go and we go there later.
And don't
We will go there later.
Don't.
But I just want for no small little bit about Aja Mariam Kamara before China. Who done Aja Mariam Kamara? Who say Aja Mariam Kamara born and the school where he go? I want for no really bit.
Aja Marama Kamara na kono impo. Aja Marama Kamara in come out from poor family. If I would not be getting a man yes. Aja Marama Kamara be dinner in Mama Belen and Papa in 1993.
Wow.
Yes. Aja Marama Kamara knows I mean Papa.
Okay.
Yes. Then Aja Marama Kamara na the 6th the mama born. Then na the last one.
Wow.
Yes.
Now you sweep the belly.
Na me clean
What's
as
up?
if as you go wait first.
Yes.
Yes, no picking the enter. Yes. So Aja Marama Kamara na the last tina. Then you know born meeting papa. Yes. So Aja Marama Kamara papa mama born 6 picking they fall down then I would two no more na one mama one papa two cousin picking auntie picking or who picking uboku.
Wow.
We boku.
Okay. All right. So obviously Aja Mariam Kamara we don't be go school go primary school, secondary school and
The
everything.
primary school na be RC primary school.
Okay.
The secondary school na Islamic Gear Secondary School.
Okay. Wow. Now fit on
Islamic and Zarudia Secondary School na Kono.
na kono. Okay.
Na Muslim school na Enugu.
Wow. That's good.
Then-
Na kono.
Yes. Kono by Itsai.
Kono by its life.
Yes.
Then
Then the Muslim school where I go na Sunna Madrasa.
okay.
Yes, na Predita. All school o Arabic all thing na Predita Adua.
So that you know they play with you Islam. Why do
Because
that?
God can force. I don't need
You really do that.
because God make me not say more dear more time, not say more dear money, but the prayer more dear.
No, they are-
Even the prayer say nothing with the deal, but God let me call in them for anything. As you don't call in, they say, oh, you know, because they make you know everything about it.
Yes.
But if you the first for calling and just stand on like here, first for calling, you go say, oh, this can get interest over me.
That's right.
These are the whole as his sister.
That's right.
You don't see, and I so God do. God just let no more whether the battle or whether the calling them for anything. Then this is why I start for the week. I say Bismillah.
Bismillah.
May God know say I dey think of, I remember.
It makes sense. I knew that. So obviously you don't go up Aja Mariam Kamara China Nikki. So whose time Aja Mariam Kamara turned into China Nikki? When people level call you Aja Mariam Kamara, then begin call that name China, then Nikki, and then China Nikki. Or now the Nikki first before the China.
No, na the China first. For
Okay.
more I be small. Like example, like this people understand. I be the grab up. I be you don't say people wey borrow in the sense in until they left Nigeria.
Yes.
I be because I be yalla me or she name for me. You know say me I know she for talk anything about myself. Be yourself.
Yes.
China Nikki, be yourself.
Yes.
And I'm always be myself. Like God grace.
Yes.
That time where I be the grab up, in a person, the word the boy, I be yalla. I be here too. So people then they see, they say this na Chinese people. And then they say this is Fiba China. So that was the whole door left na me yes. 2009, I've been there from 1. 2009, I've been there from 1. So, 9, that was that. You see more people they say Fiba Chinese. So now what they told me, Antina, Kanya Junction, 2001 year, and I will take 10 minutes. Yes. So Kanya Junction, but because we don't grab up now small 2009. I been there from 1. So then people, them boys they around, they ladies there, they say, hey, if you buy Chinese, so you know, see the color.
Yes.
Yeah, they say if you buy Chinese, and I say really? I say this Chinese talk, I say for more I be small. I say people then talk say I feel bad Chinese. I say okay. I say why I don't grab up back. I say still na the same talk then they talk say me feel bad Chinese. I say where I from today. Me name China. Tego. Yes. So that Chinese name na 2009. Let me back carry the name.
Right.
People they me call me a be small, but no be ever carry. So na 2009 and I carry that name.
China.
Yes.
So
yes.
the China name they with you and then you don't.
Yes.
Be
Yeah.
part
For
of
more be
you.
small. Yes.
Yes.
2009. Me say full name now
Yes.
one.
Yes.
So what can now na Freetown ya? I be there with 250 because me na person from when Nicki come. I like Nicki. No say 210 and Nicki. 210.
That na Nicki Minaj, by
Yes,
the way.
then na Nicki
So
Minaj.
now, follow so when
Yes.
Nicki come, that na Nicki Minaj.
Nicki Minaj
Yes.
na me.
Yes.
Yes. So since I work on 250, I be there with people. So then people they call me say if you buy Nicki because I been left Nicki there instead.
Okay.
Yeah. But you know say that style in the day first.
Yes.
We be they call a Chinese cut.
Yes.
People them they call a Chinese
That's
cut.
right, where they-
Yes,
yeah.
where they barb
Yes,
before.
yes.
Yes. The style been do. Them they call a Chinese cut.
Yes.
But when Nicki come online now, then fashion the style.
Yes.
Then they begin the then Nicki fashion the style. So the brown hair style now, they pull out Chinese cut pan and then they cut to Nicki.
Yes.
Yes. So me now I be like that style. If you occupy me here, the rest of the all them they make me here. That one can start be like at it. Any year what I buy the puella.
Yes.
Any even now
You know
I
what
get
they get,
yes. I
like-
get you
like
my
that,
year right
yeah.
now don't puella for the style.
Yes, forget you China Nicki.
Forget the style no more.
Yes.
So then people they say them boys they all now occupy. They say if you buy Nicki we can put this style.
Yeah.
Now I say okay. That two name then are the blend her together now. I put her now China Nicki.
And I profit.
Yes. Then after that, if it damn you style what be get
Yes.
that gold, what be fit. You know, so that style been there first,
Yes.
eh? People them in the planter, some people them in the say, you know, to use, you know, this, you know,
Yes.
that. So when me back don't come online, China
Yes.
Nicki, then me
Yes.
back now I put as me brown hairstyle, even Instagram did it.
Okay.
I say China Nicki brown hairstyle.
Wow.
Yes. So now, so not to say that style you not been there, but you know to celebrity, anything we do, anything we fatty,
Yes.
then name they
Then they
pattern.
give, yes.
Yes. So now, so I take get this name here, China Nicki.
China Nicki, I like that. Well, me people them, una don't hear from the horse's mouth. The horse's mouth, instead say it don't give me the one also you say China become China, you say Nicki become Nicki, and then where China meets Nicki, where they married, they become China Nicki. So
I receive her. Let me and Nicki meet. I don't say if me and Nicki meet.
why not?
They can't go where I want go Hollywood. I don't say go be fast.
Yes.
Because I English now I go learn my work on the grammars then.
I think say Nicki go love for me too because I know very complex by
Anybody make me a Nicki meet up. That person that go pray for and take go.
You want to go back.
He go walk. I want me to tell.
Yes.
And they do I like.
So yes, well done. I want to can talk now about the big sister. Where obviously because inside Okupa, China Nicki the name you don't see on.
Yes,
you don't
yes, that China Nicki be get
You don't see on now proper.
So Okupa, Kalbaton,
Yes.
Poti, them is sabi that
All
China
this
Nicki
side,
for years.
you know.
Even Makeni, Kono, they sabi that China Nicki.
So the name we don't be in the waka.
Yes, and
also.
if you know what I said.
Yes. So obviously then turn and they do behind the scene, they do acting and all that stuff. And then we get this wonderful idea where the sister Zainab Sharif decided to come up with an idea what they call a Big Sister House. What's not the reason or other than the motivation they make you decide for say, you know, and they go inside Big Sister because somebody was there who say to you know,
Yes,
Big Sister House they come, you know, Big Sister they come, you want to go join, you know, they go register, you know, go audition. How that they happen?
There go there.
I mean,
Big Sister, even the other program say when I Zainab Sharif, I be there in name no Zainab Sharif,
Mamina Power,
I be there in name. I been watching film there, I been watching video clip there, I been listening music. Because me first, anybody in the entertainment center, like you do film, you do music. Once na that level they get the leg is that. Let me, I not cut that audio.
No.
I can't do that.
Yes.
Waiting pull me on or waiting pull me offline. Now for can do movie. Yes. Not pull me offline or nothing. God left me. Not for free to in finance, not for free to in feminist. Now for me I can be somebody, then make I come offline. Then I can speak to the point.
yes,
Waiting make I go Big Sister house. Ijatu, known as General. Ijatu na pan film meet up. we shoot one film wey dem dey call Sarah People the title.
Yeah.
But in back I no me ever sabia. Na the film na I been dey watch the movies
Yes.
na kono. So I been dey watch the movies now. So tey wa kan free to ya. So once of them I sit down and do not na kadbato. Wa me man friend for Kimo because him can do act for film na comedian. In do act then social skits or me and himself don't do then comedy. Na the way then comedian dey do.
Yes.
We do actor. Then social skits. So then for Kimo come say China. He say you don't what they tell you, so go into film. Now I say yes. I say film pay them put me in a outline. Not to say na free time finance or in famous na make account. I say film for can get good production and good film there for can do there. I say them put me up. Then she say okay, so one lady wey they call Egypt where they act deep in the game.
Okay.
He say they film so say for the go shoot, they all surrounded. Then she say more go. That boy they be me that money till they pass 3 hours. Then you something they back
Nana Fukimbo.
yes, then Fukimbo. Now
Yeah.
for them mama go na that location.
Yes.
You know some goodness and back where they come from. You know they know pass they make stop boy.
Yes.
I make stop I say Fukimbo go. I say I will call you or I will meet. Then so no this location I will take the go. Then me go now. I go na in show me to Egypt to talk or greet one side and fine. So now I do that thing. Say them me Egypt to carry me school. Now I that day Easter. I mean they can't greet Egypt. Now I Egypt na good in drag in the to me. I mean they can't greet her. Then Egypt say China say you don't fit Easter. He say you dey tell why they say you fine, yalla. I say me I no fine. I say many people they left for tell me say me fine. Then so no, he say let you not praise yourself. He say but where people they praise you left them. Yes. He say come on at Eastern, can Western. Now I tell us I say me I don't used to Eastern. I say no, so who don't used to? I say because I dey Eastern, all the money to go sell na abacha.
Yeah.
I say so me I don't used to that Eastern business. Me and me Eastern party they would go chill. Then he say no, wait can be they able chill, they able get party. He say come on Eastern. Egypt don't they be anything I can sabi can dey to and a good in drive 1 month, sometimes 2 weeks and
okay.
return. So 9 months of 10 and I can't to and I'm tired driving come on good me come tired. What can they to now? Now you transfer na will kiss you. When transfer na will kiss you, I me and you go there. So then they come up with this big sister. Who be they watch film 1 moment, one Indian film because you know say Indian they na comedy.
Yes.
They all left film they na comedy.
Yes.
So when they watch the film, are they laughing back? They laugh. But me feel say the film when they watch, then they laugh at. Okay. You wanna in the
they watch in full.
Yes.
Okay.
So then he laugh. Now say just why it is smile. So then say China, it's in a one program where they count. It's in a Zainab Sharif. They count the program. They say the program is titled "Na Big Sister." That's how that big sister. They are say with him. Then he talks say. He said a reality TV show. He said the winner gets 10 million 1 month car. He said then they are waiting in the house every day. They pay the 100,000. He said so you win, you know win if you take that 1 month complete in the house in the count 3 million.
Yes.
I said where you just I said watch back. Then he just hold the phone, you read. Then he explained to me back. He said they say keep talking in language of choice. That's why I feel saying English. I say because me are not too good for English. I say pass where you write like script for example. Why they act like film they in a script.
Yes.
Are the speaker yes. Are the readers are grammar speaker well. Then you need the general error.
No more.
Then he say no. He say now then give me the phone back. Then me back read. I understand me. You understand it. Yeah. The grammar is the way me understand. I understand. Yes. So one time now the phone number all been there. Then I call. When call me and the lady talk. The lady when pick they call them Amnata when that Zainab Sharif you picking the way they count. Yes. You PA. Yeah. Then he say about that what they may not be know that they own this later now. Then say hello. Now I say sister you dey do. Then say fine. Now I say this big sister program I come up with her. And then he say yes. He say that we come up with her. Now so I say okay. I say who's go able get the form now and who's go able how go able get her. And then say na AYB can AYB say they get her. So that day that very day may you see a way post attention for something easy. Now me first go buy that form day. Why I go lucky I go meeting the Zainab Sharif team. I'm not out to on DOP. There some ladies there. Then they do the photo shoot for advert about the big sister. So now I go meet them there. Now I greet. Now if he ask the DOP, that's a brother. but they always want a designer sheriff. The funniest thing.
Yes.
Then people, then the DOP say, look, I say deposit now before now I go greet. I say how now they do system. I say I can't buy the form for can't join una. Then they say you welcome. Then they say but the form now Monday with the culture because that day the way me go there that be Friday.
So you not even today?
No, that be Saturday now I go. Saturday.
So you not today? Which day?
Yes. Now me first go.
Yeah.
So then they say na Monday. Now I say, I say, but the lady who I talk to say in the AYB say my account. Then he talk say, he say I say na somebody I be tell you. So but they knock out the form there. He say so come Monday. So now I greet there, buy it there. Now I go. Now I return back now. So I return my house now. Monday now. Now I go meet one lady buy before me. So now me na the second person. Now I say, Amy. I say me na post I grab up down and not let for the BN. I say me first rush up for can buy the form. Now I don't come it first don't buy. The lady laughed, the lady in the hook now I don't forget to them say. Then laughed and say you na comedian. I say well you know you feel me to time. I say now you don't know say me na comedian. So now I buy the form now I can house. Then he just to push me now. He say no Fredo. He say go. He say luckily it might be God they make they win. He say and me if you God they say they win. Yes. He say put everything to prayer now. So I say me back. I say if you go green, I say na me the win. I say me I get that faith, I get that believe in it. I say and I don't observe. I say if you want me small, like when they so picking the una kanda, so that sabi that so they get 1,000, 2,000. I say I been to do that thing that then they pay me and they do all that thing there. I say so me na that person they even who play if I say I no ever can be in. I mean they can't force. So then he had to push me now. Now I go to the big sister house. God make her become as China Nikki.
Yes.
Through from Ija to here Zainab Sherif.
So
after God.
Now we also be there at the host first of all.
Well now we 12. Because then we say which them be right. Then we say they need 10 people. Okay. Yes. But Zainab say you know we able left the balance 2 people. Me na number 8. Okay. Yes. If it be 10 people that they need me, are they inside the font? Because me be number 8. Okay. Yes. Are they inside the font? So then Zainab say no we able left the balance 2 people there. When Mamani here Alima. Right. Mamani na number 11. 11, okay. Yes. Alima na number 12. So na the 2. Yes. Me and let me say number 10 said because I saw the inside the pot. Na number 8 are they.
So una don't dey now na the host and then all things they happen inside that 30 days. Then it don't go and then things that they 20 years go on.
I'm not cutting God with the program because we don't use 30 days, 28 days.
Okay.
Tuesday now for flop 30 days. Then we come on Sunday.
Okay.
So good complete 28 days. Now we will take now we come as the China just for 28 days. Right. Short 28 days. So carry on.
No problem. 28 days. I think I'm considered doing that. But I was so much money. Okay. But so inside the obviously we don't know now. Some of the people some of them no one day see in their life. Some of them no one day sabi them. Some of them you find wanna make relationship and then beaucoup things in the way happen, good, bad, and other things in the you know inside the. You will get some relationship the way strain with 1 or 2 people. Then, if you mind for tell me how what's happening inside now because not all 2 will be the same, you know.
But I don't know, say you don't let me because you don't love me.
I love you.
Because if you be love me, for those today watch this program from A to Z.
I love
from
you.
Good people they free to that program before when it starts A to Z, they watch me. Now they remember me, so everything with you.
See the queen.
We don't forget to
let's tell you something. The queen in aid. AB. So when you wake in the morning 6 o'clock, you have to go find the queen in aid. So by the time
they can't arrange me.
Yes, but by the time okay, don't come find the queen in aid. I cannot miss most of the important parts. But the thing I want to talk about more is what the fact particular you and China relationship special.
Well, when me and they all be enter like house, they levy all plus me. Oh, all be don't enter and they also 12 all. Yeah. The first week we enter, the first day we enter. Like by this time, morning, and I tell you. Now I call the all can sit down at the living room. Yeah. When I parlor, my talk and I will look at them. Yes. When I parlor, now I tell them, I say, all don't kaya. I say, well, I say like example, me I not be sabi una none, una back not be sabi me. And all go they all be sabi themselves. Okay. Now me no more not be sabi, they them back not sabi me. Right. Yes. Now I say like I me no be one day sabi una back not sabi me. I say what don't carry with well body and long life. I say may God make more come out with well body and long life. I say me I the talk to una, the beg una. I say okay, I'm gonna make palava. I say more like we say. I say 10 million. I say the word away in Boku. The word away is small. I say 10 million. If you all day safe, if you all day safe, I say the able. The able fire I don't. I say because the other way na small money, the other way not too small money. I say some more like we safe. Let no make palava na ya. I say we all are brothers and sisters. So we all are the same. Yes. I say we are same, not different. I say different color one people. I say all are the same, yes. I say so once na one God make one na one mama, one papa. Now talk. Now me first care go God talk na that house. Now me first care go God business. They when they watch the program in the beginning, they will tell you this.
That's we know that. Yes.
So now I talk and then they say, oh man, say na China not true. The teacher na talk not true. When I'm all you say fine. Now I left there now that they talk and then he say I will do something now come back. But after that, in 1 week, 2 weeks now, jealousy they can't any visitor go like example. Go na visitor go na the house. And God left to any visitor go and I'm name first in the flash. Any visitor. But not to that they make now, they make me palava. Go on, come some bigi they can now shumu. Some man they can offend me na boni kale. But you know say me na I make that big fool. Yes. They say fool to gain the wisdom.
Absolutely, I agree.
So now I make that big fool in even camera and they talk for me. Stasha they all. They say China. We all know say you not comedian, but shows they all be the top. They say we all know say you not comedian. But one want to make serious, let people they take you serious at this house here. Yeah. They say, see, look, this all lady fit here. So now the other balance housemates now them in the that way they not be enjoying it. Yes. They say make seriousness. They say look, but this is the give back top, this is the fit here in that saloon as well. This is the saying you go say yes as well. Not a mind for common at the world. I say God will let that common.
That's true.
Yes. Go on. Beyond that, daddy, they all take use me. I say when I able after 1 to 2 weeks, then back come on. What come on and I'll make the palava now. But God let me the first start for course me now. Stasha first after Stasha na mama. Na the first cooler the all na wall. They all cost me mama. Wait them to the first cost me and then back to join now. Then bombatka. Me back what cost this to a and this. You know now we don't use to that batch style now. Yes. What cost there at and this, what cost there at and this. Yes. So cost we safe now. So yes. But anyway, me from the house this safe now forgive you all. Oh. Why already I call this? I say yeah, don't forgive.
You make peace.
Yes,
inside
I make peace back.
Inside.
So then it's like for malice, but me I need do.
No. Yes. Because we know say God not like malice.
God not like
so
malice.
we can't count down to the time where obviously they come to the finals. But one eviction been the way then they supposed for evict, two been there up for eviction. I think I've been you against Kula, Unanina, then they come up for the eviction. And then that's it, you be the feel say after all the confusion and the some and the happening, they feel say that you for go. Now it can be say they not call you name, but you react to the reaction we give like all mercy and the one who was here, we go lie Muhammad Rasulullah. Like we feel that you go.
Yes.
You be waiting na be the shock we can inside you make you feel say maybe na me they can't go or waiting I don't know.
Okay. When waiting make a shock, yeah. Because Kula, and they tell you na the big sister will say, he say in fame, people they like him, he join different clubs there. Yes, he say he join some club the Diva. In there he be the call the name themselves. He say about 2 or 3 club the way he join. He say so in a famous person. He say so you know say he fans there in group there they will vote for her. Yes, you know they ever come on and the big sister will say. Yes. So that next day now with the caller, and if he tell the doctor, I not be ever believe. Because Big Brother show, I been a follower 117.
Okay.
Because even Big Brother, I don't forget the other lady next. They pull them too now, they clean out where the balance house meet they meet them in Simona Park.
Yes.
Yeah. So I be feel saying I so bad they do it. So I not be even believe according to Kula in your talk. Yeah. Yes. Then, according to backing back, he remained at the house for long.
Yes.
As in, come on, it take 2 or 3 days, no week or no so. So I not be too believe that I get that shock inside.
If you say you wait the up for election against Sam, now you go. You understand? But you not go. You like now you not be the last
So
woman.
they make a shock.
Yes.
I don't believe. I don't believe.
So,
If I dream. If you are female, you get a dark screen. Like I don't really understand.
So now that time that you get for Kano say, or now that time you begin believe say maybe you will win this show, you know. Who say you begin believe say maybe you know I go, or you don't believe say password and crown you say the winner na China Nikki.
Well, even God let you, I would be for we. God says speak the truth, leave the devil ash.
I like that.
Really, why been going at the big sister house? I go for we.
I like that.
God let you.
I like
But why be no enter at the house now? That no be there na my agenda, sir. I not be the think of that. With the better be the think of now for let people they able laugh because you know for you go watch one great film, you know never get half fun.
Yeah.
You see India there, you say up to now.
You talk so earlier. You say be yourself.
Yes, I
be
say
China
be yourself.
Nikki.
Yes. I say Ajamara Makama represent by China Nikki. Be yourself.
That's cool.
That's what I see.
Yes. And now you said now
Yes. You see India there, for example,
Yeah.
India they any they film they put comic.
Yes.
Like salon, so most of the salon people they don't take comic as seriously. But comic you find out. You know go watch film where one great laugh now they say you need to get percent for watch. And then in a reality TV show, people they go see no for watch and say that they go bog it. So me now why be go for women. But why they say the house now that not be in my mind. Me they just kind of wanna make people they able watch, make them laugh, make the reality TV show sweet. Why be there at the house and then they need be the guy for you. If you are the dancer, the are the men for.
Yes.
Look at that the way they say, write the negative. They say write.
See the way you like.
Like example, write anything within the environment.
Okay.
The environment.
Yeah.
Like for example, dirty or that thing. Even me, I write and within the ask nothing me write.
Yes.
For little moment people they laugh.
Yes.
I go right and they say me na my environment where they don't know they na man they beat the woman. That was sing the music they say I start on money. You know see what I guess they cap say for a put na that South Africa cap.
Yes.
If my man in tell me that he say so China say na we know say all over the vote for South Africa they can vote for you make it go for South Africa. I use that my man close now put her on the to assist now and make fun and begin to see. If you walk on they say that very night they say people they laugh too.
Yes.
So when me be this and I follow people they laugh, let the program not boring.
Yes, not true.
Yeah.
Because now 28 days is long.
Yes.
And then,
even but people that be they talk and he self-retire. They say they no be they ever watch AYV.
Yeah.
They say but after God be sick, they watch it well.
oh, well done for that.
People them tell up to now they talk and
But
say.
you know, done there, you talk about the support you get. You talk about support all over the world. But you get one new group, team of people that they call them Rashu Gang. Now they can't get a moment. Then basically the China Nikki fan base when I Rashu Gang. You know, all corner na this country, whether na Freetown, whether na Upline or Rashu Gang. What's in your connection with Rashu Gang? Who na Rashu Gang?
They said it is funny. You see this earlier? Post here ever is a bit talking the bull. Then me not to the bull self. Me even me create not too fine.
Okay.
Me na swad me I be me self and Asian for talk nothing.
Yes.
Who say I them go correct me.
Yes.
Me create be na me moti not fine. So what can bull and for say rashu la say rasu.
Okay. So if I say Rasul, you say Rashu.
Yes. So na bula for a mistake. Yes.
When I don't know they can't feel na by willful.
Yes. People then take her now, they mock me. Even be there at the big sister house. People who have been there outside, oh no be enter. I not been know. Because I not been do online. I don't know which they pass. So we enter at the big sister house now. Then Alima they tell me they say China. They say you been there with you know. They say people they did laugh you. They say you know. I say I don't know. I don't do online. I saw no one see a post. I say me he say I'm in car when I go no more marker. Because I no post and no advert me pictures.
Yeah.
I say I don't ever know. They say you pictures. bull way bull so that rasu to that man. I don't forget this comedian names. They say they came back a young bull, they take and join them together. Then people them they mock me. So now if you talking at the big sister, I say, hey, now facing the camera. I say, hey, you know watch me. I say, now watch me. I say, me if I come on and do anybody laugh me say rasu. I say, I swear to God, they go fast. See, you are able to the fit. You are not able to go before to police or chief. Yes. Be you this word now I go threatening people that the camera, then they for make a film. If you go do it. I don't know nothing. But they can't well them put they can't well them talk the word. Me at one, me at point. Then make them say pussy. Not all thing they for tell you at one.
You at one, yes.
Yes. Now that says that I don't pick up. I like you can't tell me right now I saw this talk. At the final thing I know final 2 years. I'm not able to talk so no more.
So Rashu gang na the big family now.
Yes.
Na the China.
For say Rashu, I say Rasu.
Yes.
I say me, I need a young man. But when man come away, say he wants me for party. I say, oh, they rasu. Then they take out the blind and they say, Rashu gang. Now the man is saying, sing a JD. They pray the part.
Yes. We will see. We will cancel for the Rashu gang. But look, obviously, when you win, plenty things in the way them you promise before you go like 10 million, you get a car, 300, and then now you become one of the biggest salon celebrity in the world today, you know. And then you know other we can get into the way you say when you popular, especially if you popular for the right way. Thing that the way they can really go you way for support, for endorsement. So how you they cope with that celebrity lifestyle? Me, they call you celebrity because you're a celebrity.
Call me China Nikki.
Okay, how you they cope with the China Nikki lifestyle? How you they cope with the China Nikki lifestyle now?
Well, right now, I feel fine. But he believes that celebrity business if I not take me. Now he said keke swaka, no why? He said keke be dey I go na turn. Why they come back na keke?
I want to ask you a question. I want to let me you ride keke. Just up normally, you know, go up and come. You go ride out with me.
Now, more cut and short more. But you know, say me a short, now so everything short.
No short. Wait till at him up. Wait till at him up.
He believes that these selly people, they selly. Me, I don't take a big. Because God say when he come on, in the help you. God say when he raise you up, he put himself down, in the help you. God may not let proud person, not let put that he can't defend like chief bombola.
Not true. Seeing the way you really passionate about, like say you want to make some important difference in the war, you want to make changes in the war. Now like putting in so.
Like for example, from great granny, from Bemba Adam at the time now.
Hey, you don't lost me. Who don't have Bemba Adam now? But okay, Bani Adama. I like that.
Adama and Eve. Wait
yes,
I
like that.
From Adama and Eve, then time. Say we own time from where God creates salon.
Yes.
Woman will ever be president. Now this later parts of woman will begin to be minister or honorable. Now this later part, now salon also me they talk about. Okay. Now this later parts now, sometimes I been 5 to maybe 10 to 15 years away woman don't begin to come to honorable, ambassador, this, that, that the first this.
Yes.
Woman will ever be president. Me, I want to talk to me company woman then.
Okay, now talk. Yes, talk.
Can I serious or can I fun?
Talk no more anyhow. Anyhow where you want to
then I did talk to me company woman then. We hear the president. After gonna to go from a president be president. Because if you woman not born man, you need to be president. If you woman not born man, you need to be who they want for be. Now we they cook for man, then now we they bread lapper for man in the streets. Where they say president, now we they bread lapper for them, now we they not killing. Where you go na club, where you see the club suite now woman. Where you go for go take dinner, where you see the dinner suite play and laugh also I know it's the na woman. So everything at this world and a woman. God we make with the woman, they fear we respect we. So me I did talk to me company, my man can straight to the point. Me company woman there, una up una yai, una chair una yai like mountain for foot. Me I did talk to una the babe una. More guy add more work hard. Me woman be president na salary.
Agree.
More no fear, man then I will pick in there. Later we go count there. More be president, more empower company woman there. And like you know go get that degree paper, but just small basic na yet. Like me, why we here land. Not to forget degree paper, not to for that work na office. Now for that able be somebody, for that sabi speak good English, good grammar. Ma able be in a president for honorable. or for act me film go Hollywood or for do me music 5 because I be there class 5 where I start for write music. Even I'm a big sister form. I write and they are see me now at the write music.
So you get plan for still do return to music?
I be there perform, I be there class 5. Can you imagine?
So not to just the acting no more?
Not to just the acting. Even I'm a big sister form. I write and they are say they write music.
So who still would they look forward for listening to the first China Nikki single?
Enga. Like soak braid.
Then when I say like soak braid, I go like soak braid because me I want if I will get the China Nikki single, so let me be the first DJ.
Wait, they can't listen now. Wait. But me wait first now talk to me company. So I talk to me company woman there. We are big, more work hard, more guy, more be president. More set this example here from where salon be salon, where God makes salon. Woman will ever be president now. If you honorable this that and this later part they begin to think of woman self. Be a big more guy add. Woman no just second thought. And also when woman be president na salon. Salon is straight, everything go free, everything go fine. Because now we born the man there. Woman just sorry ask for man because now we born her. And like you one wicked the country, he go sorry, he go say oh man left for me, Bobby they at me because if you remember, now we born man there. More empower. Who compete woman there. Then me compete them back oh na don't born or oh na no una feel say una you don't do like me back me feel say so. Now na me the advice na me don't do that first mistake. I like you don't born, my sister go school. If you just would the help you, go school. If you know just would the help you at all for pay school fees. If you now good business if you do, if you now batch yourself, if they able to direct for 1 year or 2 years self, you get a school fees there. If they do if they go school, where you come out school, you go abacha. If you dey school, you dey come out sharp 2 or 2:30, where you can get more time for go sell na abacha. No shame. Me wait see me so I be the self platelet. They this Western yourself waka. You know even tell to the week where I come out sell film plate na bow. Now that week they are entering a big sister house. So me I need the shame. Now so man they wait traffic they jam them big fine but hey sister you too fine for sell film plate. I say brother at the seller. Who say me living there na there at the day. Yes. People they do me good, man they do me good for me hard working. So me I the beg if now me way dismiss I don't sell sugar cane. You know me I not proud. Who say God wanted that moment na dey for day. But do you beg me come people man there for God and happy. When I'm more work hard, me woman be president na sal. We must set that record. I beg una. I
agree. And then but what you not tell we say na Inge for be the first woman president na this country.
May God answer her.
Yes.
I receive her in Jesus' name. Amen. Amen.
Yes.
Both sides.
Yes.
Christmas.
Yes.
Watch out for.
Yes. Now Inge for be the first woman president. But China, I'm glad the way you bring this talk because me na supposed to really advocate for women empowerment. I believe say we mama them, we sister them, we auntie them, na important people in this country and I then therefore make this country turn sharp. But I want to ask you for one born team back when they work within the country right now at the ground. The first lady you get this new campaign they call Hands Off Our Girls. What's in you take on Hands Off Our Girls?
When me Hands Off Our Girls, nobody no invite me. I know be if it's the right place where they make us.
But what's in you take on it? You believe say good campaign?
Yes, na good.
A good campaign.
Man online na good. Because we made a count Hands Off Our Girl a listener because of rape don't boku. We dey see big man go rape 10 years, 5 years, 2 years, bo big girl then dey. You need to go yande. So me that side na good with me oh mommy Madam Fatima Bio starts where the pray God me ending now. Now good idea for go Amadia. I like that the Hands of Our Girls. Raping don't boku no help for empower the young girls there. Because me I don't already olo. Now why see so I don't get me teach already. But the young one when they come up, una no help their brothers and sisters, papa, mama. Raping don't boku no easy. Who say God they kind
of punishment when you visit them for giving people and they
well, to me, your sense, when they catch any man, you rape their people. May they not beat you, may they not kill you, may they just go jail no more small. Yes. May you go there at that tight corner first. Yes. If you're not for 5 to 10 years, raping boku, you know easy. Kyle could tell God thank you. Who grab up they not rape because we been there now good side. Some picking there now, the mama don't die, quick papa don't die, don't know you would have the men, they like me and my uncle men me. So pass was strong now.
Yes. But you know what I want to go buy ice cream. You don't work out, you don't go buy ice cream.
I like Posse, where chair throw system, chair lapa.
Yes.
At the go
So,
like example, wait for before they go by.
Uh-huh.
Zana Sheriff back out one
Yes.
program.
Uh-huh.
When I for help. Put that they no get like them cripple them blind people the way they hand them no they Zana show now day before yesterday if you see how they sweep the streets if you see how they park the chairs if you see how they cut
What, the campaign?
of course not a campaign no in the end now we go do the cook now we go sweep na street now by this place
ECOWAS street?
not to ECOWAS street wait na Swazi
Okay.
now they will be the day before yesterday New Year's Day you know say yesterday the second day before yesterday the first day the third. Now we been there yesterday, day before yesterday.
Yes.
I sweep, pack. So me and the beg back, let people the help Zana Sheriff. We are beg. Because Zana Sheriff say if you got grief, you got make it help there, any New Year's, you will do that for help food that they not get. You know they sleep na street for cook food for they give them everything. And they talk to people they back, make the help Zana Sheriff back. Any year, let Zana Sheriff kill the do that. I love you now all. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah. Don't go by. And then obviously, as you know, we don't talk, you don't tell now everything but what's not for no, but China Nikki. And then now we can buy ice cream. You see the ice cream, eh?
I see her.
You see the ice cream, eh?
And there's a big make ice cream.
I want to ask you, what's your favorite ice cream before we even? I know I can order the one for you.
If I tell you the three go, believe?
Tell me.
Yeah, ice cream, the all I don't sabi the real and then just they say ice cream.
Point me the color.
Brother, sister, give me the away brownie chocolate.
Sabi that three color one.
Me, give me the chocolate. Sabi the English.
You know the mix race? You know the mix color?
When I mix
Mix color.
when I for people, give me the brown one. Then he puts the pink. You know the pink na woman color.
Then you get a sugar color.
Then you get a sugar color. Yes. So Mr. go take the pink, I will take the sugar color. Then for me, yes. Maybe your favorite color na green. So you will give him not of green. The cream, that's it, yeah. Then give me the sugar color. Then give me the woman color. Yes.
After that, I put that short.
I go buy for a skin tight. Where is the man like woman color na skin tight and Brazil?
I go wear them all. When are the ground self you give me, I go wear them. Yes. So, when I take, what do you name? Zainab. Kadi.
Okay, not bad.
Salema too.
We are the same. We all are sugar.
Well, I ask you a quick question. Zainab, Saleh, Uda, and Kadi. Una almost because where's the China there? So you don't lie. Una almost there where we vote for Zainab. For China.
We are in the vote.
So now almost for. You said we need sugar. So okay, as soon as I say right now, me and China we don't buy we ice cream done, and you the color way people China and then we take a keke ride by the way. So we keke ride out. What is your name, sir? Abubakar Barry. Okay, thank you for the ride, yeah. So China, which color where you go for so? Because you talk about sugar color.
The orange,
yes.
Sugar. The pink, na woman color. The chocolate, na general.
Na general. When me go tell you the chocolate na man color.
No.
So you see, okay. Me no melt because me I be guy pass you. Me self I been take the sugar color. I take the pink, then I take cream because me I like the cream. You understand? Well, you know when we talk earlier, you talk about how much love you get for keke. Say you this celebrity business, you know, if now Okada self you go take them.
Yes.
How comfortable will you be inside keke in China?
Like for example, I feel far. I just anywhere no one can do it because they breeze they pass through for if you have more big systems, I don't take like take 210 by this long there, but people they never know say that put
and that's how I ask you. Say when you go like when you work so you meet a keke, you flag the keke down when you flag the Okada down, and then there's in China. The first thing you can begin
in the shop.
Eh.
But at the time people they say me they not shop. Not all my able that big.
So listen, keke, na good to know for this country because me I like them. They get you from one place to the other place quickly, you know. But I want to talk to you, you know, because where you be there at the house before you go inside the house, you know, somebody they will not be special man because I say behind every successful woman there is a strong man. And
okay, me back behind a successful man there is strong woman.
Well, that's true. So this mania we been there behind China is still there behind China where China now don't come out, don't win, or because they say some mortal man where don't become somebody if they forget in old bell full.
Not all man they pardon for forget old bell.
Not all man they pardon. So this person here is still in China. The strong man.
I'm not a strong man. I don't know. No, they're not strong man. I know.
Right. Okay, so China not get mad. Yes. China not gets man. China not get man before you go inside the house, or China not get mad when you don't come out of the house.
Before they say for me to go in the house, I don't get man. Why I don't party? Go sell film plate or go sell a batch.
Okay.
So man, then they put one at but now we born on a game on a
So you know the other thing as well. You be get the opportunity for going to the diaspora, especially now Usami come on London, UK, and Ireland. For go meet you people there, you find them for hotel them, thank you. Unfortunately, that did not happen this year. So it happened last year. Last year, you understand? Waiting are you hope for say you go for come UK one day for meet you fans them, you lovers them of China Nikki, and can tell them boku thank you for the support.
Well, it will be very soon, inshallah. That moment they be with him cannot go. Now God no matter.
Yes.
We go say I for we big sister winner.
Yes.
Anything at this life here, we go don't face you. If I carry my brother, no rush. My sister, don't rush.
Okay.
If I carry a walk on her. So me when we go and alright, now God. If you go say they go London, and go all over the world, and they take turn all over the world, and they take her.
Yes.
Even they say America, they before don't care me.
Yes.
But all things alright again. I forgot different side.
Some people then if you say, well, China will be disappointed. Why make we not hear, we not see nothing from you na social media, you not comment, you not curse, you not grumble. The kind of personality we get in nice show, now so you turn on and act you the act.
That's what I did. I mean real life now level so that big sister also. And not to act. That's why they say any disappointment appointment they be now.
That's true.
Now so life day. They may not all tranganes or other team disappoint the meeting, take a big, take a like in the CEO in the year. So me I not say this is not up to it, but this 290. God will bless me.
By God,
and I believe I get to God. Me say me cannot comment, I not pause, I not do nothing. That's so I dey in a life. Where they are life, if I no salty for meeting a life. Where they are life, bad they meet you, good they meet you, disappoint they meet you, appointment they meet you, everything they meet you. That's so life today. So me then I not take a big. Then you no go make a go post big post, then you make a video big post, then you make a talk bad about them on the social media. And then you do that. And they be embo.
You know, I don't need photography, but you know, possibly they want strong one. But also, you get people the way you also believe in where you team. You got a very strong team here where they support you. They make sure say China and food they are gone, as we can say, they keep you grounded. How they keep you grounded? Because sometimes we put inside the celebrity boss, we can get big motor. Now you want to tell the team what you want to do. For you to listen to your team them. How? When you get that relationship day.
Cut your coat according to your size.
Yes.
When you reach and yes, go on man knows the God and the next star. Star and star. All man know that but the person will be the sabbath.
Yes.
If you listen to the person the way they make you be that person, if you listen to them, like they to the Denzana Sheriff, the other one there, if you listen to them, my management team at the listen to them. Yes. If they are and dance for me, clap for me, send money, go for me, the musician there, the actors, they all.
You never meet with them people in there?
Well, I don't meet most of them.
Right. So whose message will you go out for send to you people then at the rest of the world, at the diaspora, especially UK? You get really strong fan. While they talk about the fan base where you get at UK, me know very strong supporters. Them people that will love you because you be who that you be yourself. How you can teach me that talk there? I am what you call her? Ajamama Kamara bracket Jananiki, be yourself. You understand?
Go they eat ice cream. The money they go for nothing.
La do the China Nikki style.
That's what me life do. Why don't buy ice cream for they no waste?
Na 30,000 let no left eh.
You see ah.
We go for drink water back.
But it is see that kid wey they make at the Iba. That's in the left. They
regret
yes, look I see. I'm going back kurupa. So if I would tell you be celebrity. You get money self, no cack. If you na keke load panamego. If you na Okada load panamego. If you na taxi load panamego. If you na bus na anything. So let's go to the beach side and then we'll come in and then we'll wrap.
Hey yo, this na Queen Rashu, China Nikki. Rashu gone down a day. Mama and Papa, una try hard. Make una put una girl picking in a school. This free education, una make you take us serious.
No one knows tomorrow. What are you taking? Na in they carry you go. No one knows tomorrow. What are you taking? Na in they carry you go.
We are the same, no different. Oh. 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 Make it do with a woman then chance. Oh. We are the same, no different. Oh.
You want give picking foundation, give them education. Class 1 to SS3, education now not free.
Woman empowerment, woman for the na parliament, woman for be the president, woman for using talent wise. Oh, make we send we girl picking them at school. Oh, make the land book, make them better tomorrow. Make use of the free education. Oh. We want 50-50 now we nation. Oh. Woman empowerment, woman for the na parliament, woman for be the president, woman for using talent wise. Oh.
No one knows tomorrow. What are you taking? Na in they carry you go. No one knows tomorrow. What are you taking? Na in they carry you go.
We are the same, no different. Oh. We are the same, no different. Oh. We are the same, no different. Oh. We are the same, no different. Oh.
Dash you gang, that day we did. Dash you gang, that day we did. Dash you gang, that day we did. Dash you gang, that day we did.
About a shot, about a shot, about a shot,
Now God know the mungu, street child need for good school. Now trial education, go help build we nation. And there is life, there is hope, there is light at the end of the tunnel. Just believe in yourself and keep up the faith. Dash you gang, that day we did. Dash you gang, that day we did. Dash you gang, that day we did. Dash you gang, that day we did.
About a shot, about a shot.
No one knows tomorrow.
After that. Gang, Mariama China Nikki represent by
That's
Be
it.
Yourself.
Be yourself. Rashul Gang. You understand? So, indeed, you know, because obviously America they want to welcome you. Australia, Selenians they want to welcome you. All over around the world.
And I got you all though. Even work from also big sisters, I watch you too. America, London. Then I hear some people the month where they say even the Chinese president wants it. So people don't take turn like 6 or 5 places there. But we're not happy now. The time not reach it.
As you talk earlier. So but it will happen soon. So the people that will in diaspora, they usually are messaging for them. As you say,
late for talk about sorry. I'm so sorry. But still I'm not late to.
no, you're not late.
First, second, third, today the third.
Yes.
Say this month now.
Yes.
Say January, February, and New Year. So still I'm not late.
No, you're not late.
First of all, Happy New Year to all the Rashul Gang. When I'm London, everybody see the picture, no one say it. Then me go and all right there. So people like me say, go and all right. Bigger than that shit, man. I saw you reach Chananiki in our life.
Yes.
Like our life sweet, so you just not get for once in your life. There is life, there is hope. Just believe in yourself.
I want that single. I really, you know, I'm gonna have a word with the manager.
Some people
JD, me and you need to talk. I want that single there.
So now this is your business. That's me. I need it to plan. I just long way for in a small girl first.
Well, you get,
I don't know which
you're not gonna be the next president, so if you don't take yourself in life
yes.
now, how you gonna be?
Yes, God they go punish
Diamond president.
Because the guy who God they suffer for make life. The guy like sweet, he just did not sweet. You cannot don't kind of bitch. They enjoy the life.
So who are the people that are your management team, the people that were close to you, the leader to the way you want for team?
Yes, I tell all the Rashul Gang they thank you. The Rashul Gang they UK, I tell them thank you all over the world. I tell una thank you. I tell JD, Ijatu, I tell una all thank you. So I love una. All the musician woman, the musician man there, the actor, actress there, I love una all. I tell una thank you. Una all happy New Year.
Definitely, we are not hearing from the wonderful Ajamama Kamara, aka China Nikki. You know, this is not the exclusive one we promise you from Diaspora Voices. Me and DJ Little, the Moses for Salon Entertainment, and as China, we are not hearing from them in singles. Them, we are get for the Yeri Amnami platform. All the DJs them that are UK. Want to say thank you to the Sierra Leone DJ Union, UK and Ireland. Thank you to the Sierra Leone DJ Union in Freetown, Sierra Leone. Want to say thank you to them, the management. I want to extend a massive thank you to all the people that will make this happen. Thank you to DJ Tamba B. Thank you to management of China Nikki, Rashul Gang, JD, the finest artist. I want to say a personal thank you to Mio family, where come as well and can support me. More importantly, I want to say a massive thank you to DJ Minwan representing Bank Complex. So I want to say massive thank you, and we are DJ Little, Moses for Salon Entertainment. Till next time, I've been with China Nikki.
Yeah.
Mash beat, turn me up.
Rashul Gang,
Everybody,
Rashul Gang,
ladies,
Rashul Gang,
fellas.
Rashul Gang.
See,
China Nikki, China Nikki, China Nikki, China Nikki, China Nikki, China Nikki.
see, we know the go inside water, we turn to fish. We dey talk Creole, not to broke English. If we talk Creole, now we local content. You want speak English, now forgot parliament. If na sabi go me salon. You want see Christian Apple? Not to train na big sister salon. Then say we no learn a free education. Then say we want a new direction. See, Solomon to talk. All the way they analyze. See don't have fun they criticize. They want visa for naturalize. Now which we get you will prioritize. Papa Bosch, they on a Mongolese. We team get crowd if he by Chinese. Rashul Gang. Rashul Gang. Rashul Gang. Rashul Gang.
See.
China Nikki. China Nikki. China Nikki. China Nikki. China Nikki. China Nikki.
See, we dey got shoot from Monday to Monday. Now business we know they commode. You a day, you go pay day. We said game day, now they the play day. We the bulldoze, we no care day. Them the long throat, let them die day. I got my style, we apply day. Got it like bets, we know the tay day. See, yeah, you can talk how you want. I don't care what you do, you can live how you want. Now you life, you can live how you want. Now you money, now you spend, now you can spend how you want. So stop for the talk by me own. I just on my camion. The thing with the do na saloon. Make FIFA 7 for fun with saloon. See, hey yo, Project 77 in the building. Give it up for Big Sister in the house. Yeah, Umar in the building.